Welcome to Smart Kid Who Taught a Channel, a fun and engaging place for kids to learn English. Let's start our English learning journey. What weather is this? Sunny. What weather is this? Rainy. What weather is this? Overcast. What weather is this? Breezy. What weather is this? Windy. What weather is this? Drizzle. What weather is this? Storm. What weather is this? Thunderstorm. What weather is this? Snow. What weather is this? Hail. What weather is this? Cloudy. What weather is this? Foggy. What weather is this? Frosty. What weather is this? Freezing cold. What weather is this? Scorching hot. What weather is this? High temperature. What weather is this? Low temperature. What weather is this? Mild weather. What weather is this? Showers. this? Thunderstorm! What weather is this? Snow! What weather is this? Hail! What weather is this? Cloudy! What weather is this? Foggy! What weather is this? Frosty! What weather is this? Freezing cold! What weather is this? Scorching hot! What weather is this? High temperature! What weather is this? Low temperature!